Did you know that home sales across BC are meant to rise by 13% in 2025? That's right. The Fernie real estate market is going to gain some serious momentum, an exciting time for both buyers and sellers. Are you curious about what's in store for the Fernie real estate market in 2025? Well, stay tuned. Welcome to the Property Mindset Podcast, where we explore everything real estate, from market trends to practical strategies for success. Whether you're a buyer or seller, or an inspiring investor, a seasoned professional, or simply someone who loves real estate, this podcast is for you. Welcome back to the Property Mindset Podcast, where we talk all things real estate and lifestyle right here in Fernie, BC. I'm your host, Phil Gadd, and today we're diving in to what is going to be, I think, one of my favorite episodes of 2025. And I'm probably going to make it an annual thing at the end of the year. What 2025 could look like for the Fernie real estate market.
So a short break from our show sponsor, eXp Luxury at First Tracks Real Estate Group. Imagine a real estate experience where your luxury property isn't just seen, but showcased, both locally and globally. eXp Luxury is about more than transactions. It's about transforming how high-end properties reach the market. With a blend of unparalleled global exposure, cutting-edge marketing strategies, and an elite network of professionals, eXp Luxury ensures your property stands out in the luxury market. Phil Gadd and the First Tracks Real Estate Group leverage this platform to elevate your listings, ensuring it reaches its full potential. Welcome to the new standard in luxury real estate.
Fernie has been growing in popularity ever since I moved here 15 years ago. Not just as a ski and outdoor destination, but also a place where a lot of people want to call home, including myself. Like I said, we emigrated here in 2009 and we have had the best 15 years possible. Fantastic town, ski, snowboard, which is a huge passion of mine, biking, the kids are thriving. Lots of sports, lots of outdoor activities. We couldn't have been more happy. With the latest forecasts and my experience in this market, I'll be giving you my top predictions for the year ahead. What you can expect as a buyer or seller and how to navigate the opportunities and challenges we're likely to see in 2025. So let's start by looking at some current trends in the real estate market here in Fernie. The BC Real Estate Association has projected that after a fairly flat market in 2024, sales are expected to rebound strongly in 2025, with mortgage rates expected to continue to low, making home buying more affordable. Here in Fernie, we're particularly impacted by seasonal demand and a reputation as a recreational hotspot. With an expected rise in demand for recreational properties and vacation homes, it looks like Fernie's market will be a key player in this provincial upswing. I'll be breaking down the key factors driving this momentum, along with predictions for prices, inventory, and potential challenges we must keep an eye on. Now, let's look at some key indications and data behind these predictions. First, we're expecting price growth. According to forecasts, BC house prices may rise around 3.3% in 2025. According to the BC Real Estate Association, with Fernie potentially reaching an average sale price of closer to $800,000. The pent-up demand from buyers who held off in 2023-2024 due to higher rates is likely to drive this price growth. With the expected drop in mortgage rates and new policies extending amortization periods for first-time buyers, there's a lot of potential for more people to enter into the market. We should see some improvement over the tight supply of recent years. More listings are expected to hit the market in the spring, which could create a more balanced environment for buyers and sellers. The average days on market in 2024 was around 112 days, but as buyer confidence returns in 2025, we're likely to see properties moving faster. Fernie's unique recreational appeal as a place for second homes and vacation properties continues to be a strong driver. With increased access to financing and more flexible lending policies, both local buyers and out-of-towners will have more options to consider further boosting Fernie's real estate activity. Of course, it's not going to be all smooth sailing. There are going to be a few challenges on the horizon for the Fernie real estate market in 2025. Affordability, it's a big concern. You don't get too much for $1 million here in Fernie these days. Particularly, that's going to impact local buyers, as it always has. While lower mortgage rates are good news, the steady rise in prices means it's still difficult for many to enter the market. Housing affordability will continue to be an issue, especially if inventory levels don't keep up with the demand. There's also the challenge of needing much more new construction to keep up with this demand. We're seeing a strong need for more housing options, not just vacation homes, but also local families and first-time buyers. If new construction can't keep up, it could further strain affordability and lead to increased competition for the available homes. Now, let's not forget the potential economic uncertainties. While the outlook is fairly positive, we know that any economic downturns or changes in government policies could quickly impact buyer confidence. That said, the underlying appeal of Fernie's lifestyle with its natural beauty and outdoor activities tends to keep interest high, even during the slow economic periods. Now, here's my boldest prediction for 2025. I personally believe we're going to see a real surge in demand for Fernie, especially in the spring. Interest rates are going to go down, demand is going to go up, prices will probably go the same way as demand. Good old-fashioned market forces. So lower interest rates, the new policy changes for allowing longer amortization periods for first-time buyers and new homes, and the increased mortgage insurance caps are likely to throw gasoline on the fire of the market to boost market activity. And then there's just a pent-up demand. People have just been waiting for these rates to come down, are finally going to get their chance to enter the market. So to recap, my key predictions for Fernie real estate market in 2025, we're going to experience increased sales activity with a forecasted 13% rise in transactions across BC, largely driven by lower mortgage rates and pent-up demand. Well, already since 2021, we've seen the median house price in Fernie go up every single year on year increase by 14.42%. The average home price in BC is anticipated to rise by 3.3%. So that seems insignificant to what we're currently witnessing in Fernie. I believe the average home price is going to probably go over 800,000. Inventory levels may improve, given the buyers a bit more choice. That could really impact affordability, especially for local people trying to get their first rung on the ladder. Finally, we're likely to see a surge in demand for vacation condos as buyers look for lifestyle investments and rental potential. So for buyers and sellers, 2025 is shaping up to be a dynamic year for Fernie. Sellers can take advantage of potential higher prices and motivated buyers, while buyers have a window of opportunity with improved financing options and potentially more inventory. So thanks for tuning in to the Property Mindset podcast. What do you think about these predictions? Do you see Fernie market following this path? Or do you have other expectations? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the Fernie real estate market. Until next time, I'm Gadd. Stay focused, stay informed, and keep building the property mindset.